Hi Year 5, hope you've been enjoying your science. Today is lesson 4 and you should have already carried out your own science experiment. You were challenged to blow up a balloon without using your breath in your mouth like you usually would, and also without using a pump. So they were the rules. You should have watched my earlier exploding bag experiment and had to think about the chemical reactions going on in there and the changes happening and how you could use the same science to then perform your own experiment to blow up a balloon. So I'm going to show you how it's done. You should have used your balloon that you want to blow up, a small plastic bottle, and I put a little bit of water just to fill some space up in mine, some vinegar and some bicarbonate of soda or some baking powder. Now, how did you do your experiment? I can't wait to see yours. This is how I suggest you do it. And if you're not able to do your experiment at home, that's fine. Watch this one and then you can write your report, your science report, based on what I'm doing here. So I've got my balloon. Now I have a really lovely little, tiny little sugar spoon or salt spoon from my grandma. You might not have a spoon this small, but you can try and tip it in, ask maybe a sibling or a parent to hold the balloon open. What you need to do is pop a little bit of bicarbonate of soda into your balloon and let it fall down to the bottom. You don't want it to stick around the top. You want it to fall down to the very bottom of the balloon so that it's sitting in there. Okay. Next, you're going to put some vinegar into your bottle. Now, you can put as much or as little vinegar in as you like. Have a little play around. It's really fun if you put too much ingredients in. So you get a big reaction. I've put a little bit of water to fill up some space, so I only need a little bit of vinegar. That should be fine. I'm not trying to cause an explosion, although you might do at home. I'm not trying to cause an explosion, I'm just trying to blow up this balloon. Okay, next thing, I'm going to keep the bicarbonate of soda in the bottom of the balloon so it's hanging down, whilst I pop the rim of the balloon around the bottle like this. Okay, nothing's happening yet. Now, I will pick the end of the balloon up, tip the bicarbonate of soda into the vinegar, and hopefully, fingers crossed, if it works, the balloon will start to blow up. Let's have a look, shall we? Hooray! There we go, an inflating balloon without using your breath or a pump. Now, what's happening in there? Hopefully, from your science learning this week, you'll be thinking about the states of matter. So when you mix your bicarbonate of soda and your vinegar together, you create a gas. And what do we know about gas particles? They move all over the place. They fill up the container that they're in, and these gas particles are filling up the balloon as well as this part of the bottle. So, is that how you did your experiment? I hope you were successful, and I can't wait to see your write-ups. See you later.